Hello everyone, my name is Sanath Kumar. I'm from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies University. My presentation is about recycling of plastic. Firstly, I want to give importance of recycling and I want to discuss about why plastic is recycled. If we see in the present world, production of plastic is increasing and recycling is decreasing. We are producing plastic for our daily uses like bottles, utensils, etc. And after that uses, we are throwing that plastic on the earth. That plastic is remained as waste on the earth. And plastic is a thing that is which is non-biodegradable thing. It means it does not decompose in the earth. It takes many years to decompose, and because of that waste we are losing many resources which are in the earth. It is harmful to the living beings and water sources and earth also. In order to overcome that problem, we should not throw that plastic on the earth. We should have to reuse that plastic, and we should have to make uh, our convenient uses. Like again, we can make bottles, utensils, etc. So if you see if you see in this world, tons of plastic is produced and used by the human beings eventually end up in the nature, causing harm to the living beings and the environment. The amount of plastic recycled than the plastic produced is very less compared to production of plastic and recycling of plastic. The requirement of plastic recycling is now essential task. In this project, uh, this project is about the design and fabrication process of plastic extrusion machine which address the plastic recycling. In this project, firstly I collect the plastic, means waste material on the earth like uh, toothpaste tubes, utensils, etc., which are not used, and after that we just chop it into the pieces. We should and That pieces are kept in the barrel, like a steel barrel. That barrel is affected with a heat source. Then that because of that heat, that plastic is melted. After that melted, we should have to use a compression press, and with that compression press we can make cakes, and we can you can see in the coming slides about that process. And this project is based upon the extrusion principle. Because of extrusion we can make rods, plates, tubes, wire and cable coatings, hose liners and hose mandrels, filaments, sheet, multi-layer film, medical packages and food packaging. And as I said that this recycling of plastic is based upon the extrusion principle. Extrusion of plastic is a process in which the material is melted by external heat or frictional heat or conveyed forward by a press to the opening of the die. And if we observe, we can get convenient shape by adjusting the die. And it is also based upon the injection method, which gives the shape of the required product. And as I said that why plastic is recycled, and what is the use of recycling, need of recycling, you can see here. Plastics are durable, lightweight and inexpensive materials. They can readily be molded into the various products which can find uses in a plethora of applications. Many applications of plastic. Because of plastic we have many applications. Every year more than 100 million tons of plastic is manufactured across the globe. Around 200 million pounds of plastic material is thermoformed, laminated, and extruded into millions of packages and products. Consequently, the reuse, recovery, and the recycling of plastic are extremely important. And plastic is classified into different types depending upon the grades. You can see here grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. It means grade 1 is nothing named as PET, polyethylene terephthalate. It means this it is a preference order of recycling. It means PET means you can see soft drink bottles, mineral water bottles, fruit juice containers, cooking. This means these are preferably reused. Means firstly readily reused. It is a preference order of plastic. Then after it is melting temperature is about to 250 degrees centigrade. That's it. And for every material there is a softening temperature and hardening temperature and melting temperature. You should have to go to the softening temperature, not into the melting temperature. Then we can mold it into a convenient shape. Coming to the second grade, it is HDPE, high density polyethylene after. And you can see here applications and recyclable products, PVC, LDPE, PP and PS. Other products in other means there comes under other plastic including acrylic, polycarbonate, polyacetic fibers, nylon fiberglasses. And this is a flowchart of that flowchart of our project. We can see firstly raw materials, and we should have to collect the waste. Waste is nothing but raw material here, and plastic, different kind of plastic here. Then after that plastic is chipped into small convenient pieces, or others if you have a big containers, there is nothing to chip, no need to chip. And that chipped material is kept into that barrel, and that barrel is kept in the furnace. And you can see the images in the coming slides here. It is a furnace. In this furnace, it is a inner side of the furnace, and we just keep that chipped pieces into the this barrel, and this barrel is kept into the furnace. And we should have applied heat to that barrel. It is about 250 degrees centigrade, and the melting point of that PET is 250 degrees centigrade. And we should not go to the melting temperature, we should go to the softening temperature. It is about 180 degrees centigrade. That's it. 180 degrees centigrade. After that we should have to we should after that material is completed in softening state, then we should have to do compaction. After that compaction, we can make it to our convenient shapes. There is nothing but final stage shaping. And here you can see material use: furnace, crucible, plastic bottles, press. It's a simple process. It is a process of recycling. Firstly, I want to say why I made this project, because it I made this project. I made this project to participate a fest in our college which is held in 2020. Okay. And firstly, I I just made this project to bring awareness among the students in our campus. People are going sorry Students are going to the canteen, and they're taking the drinks, buying the drinks, and after drinking that bottles they are throwing on the earth. And just to bring awareness among that people, I just choose this project and give an idea to the people. Firstly, I collected the waste bottles in our campus, and here you can see the students are collecting the waste bottles and just collected. And then bottles are chipped into small pieces. Okay. Then after that, chipped pieces is kept into the mold. It means steel barrel. This barrel is kept into the furnace, and we should have to apply the softening temperature. Then after the softening temperature, should have to take out that barrel, and we should have to do compaction. Here you can see this kind of we use this barrel, and we just get this kind of shapes here. And if we use this kind of barrel, here you can see, and you can get this kind of shapes, round barrel. And we can likewise we can also melt pens. This is about pens. Pens means polystyrene. And you can also see this kind of shape. I love MME. It is our logo of our college, and these are made because with the help of these patterns: ME, heart symbol, this one I. That's it. Thank you.